Good morning, children. Today I am going to discuss numericals based on conversion of degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit and degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. First we will discuss this. They are formula based. To convert degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit, the formula is, because we have to find out Fahrenheit, formula is F is equal to C into 9 upon 5 plus 32. We are going to place here the value of degree Celsius. Suppose the value is 110. We have to convert 110 degrees Celsius into Fahrenheit. So what we will do, in place of C we will write 110, then multiply by 9 upon 5. Cancel it. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 twos are 10. Now multiply 22 with 9. What will come? 198. Plus 32. What is the answer? 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 1 plus 1, 2. So answer is 230 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, if the value of C is 110, then in Fahrenheit it would be 230 degree Fahrenheit. One more question we will do. One more numerical. Now suppose the value of C is 85. In place of C what we will write? 85. 9 upon 5 plus 32. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 sevens are 35. Now multiply 17 into 9 plus 32. What is 17 into 9? 9 sevens are 63. 9 ones are 9 and 6, 15. Plus 32. Add it. It is 185 degree Fahrenheit. So if the value in degree Celsius is 85, when we convert it into Fahrenheit, it would be 185 degrees Celsius. Okay, children? Now, I am going to tell you how to convert degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. The formula is different. Here you have to find out Celsius. So C we will write this side. C is equal to 5 F minus 32 upon 9. This is the formula. Now F is given, we have to find out C. Suppose F is given 131. 131 minus 32 upon 9. 131 minus 32 is what? Subtract it. What will come? 99. What will come? 99 upon 9. 9 ones are 9. 11. 5 into 11. 55 degrees Celsius. If the temperature is 131 degree Fahrenheit, in degree Celsius what it would be? 55 degree. One more sum we will do. Suppose the value is 77. Minus 32 upon 9. 5 into 2 out of 7, 5. 3 out of 7, 4. Upon 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 fives are 45. 5 into 5. 25. So what is 25 degrees Celsius? If the temperature is 77 degree Fahrenheit, in degree Celsius it would be 25 degrees Celsius. Okay children, now we are going to revise the questions of temperature. I have told you about the numericals. Now what is temperature? Degree of hotness or coldness is called, of body or a place is called temperature. The terms dash and dash are only relative terms. The terms hot and cold are only relative terms. We measure temperature with an instrument called the thermometer. All thermometers measure temperature by making use of some property of a substance that varies with what? Temperature. What would be the answer? Temperature. You know that things expand due to the temperature, like alcohol and mercury, they expand due to temperature. The two commonly used scales are degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit scales. The third scale is Kelvin. As I told you, this is the standard unit of temperature, Kelvin. Celsius scale is indicated by degree Celsius. By what? Degree Celsius. On Celsius scale, the melting point of pure ice is taken as 0 degree Celsius and the boiling point of pure water is taken as 100 degree Celsius. Fahrenheit scale is indicated by degree Fahrenheit. On Fahrenheit scale, dash is taken as the melting point of pure ice. What is the answer? 32 degree Fahrenheit. And 212 degree Fahrenheit as the boiling point of pure water. The difference between these 2 points is divided into how many degrees? 180 degrees. Now next question is 12th one. Mercury thermometer was invented by Gabriel Fahrenheit. Okay, what is the answer? Gabriel Fahrenheit. Mercury melts at minus 38.87 degree Celsius and boils at 356.58 degree Celsius. What is the color of mercury? Silvery gray. Does it stick to glass? No, it does not stick to the glass. Alcohol is cheaper and less harmful than mercury. What is the answer? Harmful. Range of alcohol thermometer. What is the range of alcohol thermometer? Minus 115 degree to 78 degrees Celsius. Okay. Dash is used in digital thermometer. What we use in digital thermometer? Thermistor. Thermistor is a device which work on temperature. What is the range of temperature which laboratory thermometer can measure? The range of laboratory thermometer is minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now next is dash thermometer are used to check body temperature. Which thermometer is used to check the body temperature? Clinical thermometer. A clinical thermometer is generally a dash thermometer. It is mercury. It is generally a mercury thermometer. There is a little arrow at dash showing the normal body temperature. Children, in some thermometer it is at 98.4 degree Fahrenheit and in some thermometer 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Okay children. So what is our normal body temperature? 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. There is a dash in the tube near the bulb to ensure that the mercury in thermometer does not contract. What is there in the thermometer near the bulb? Constriction or kink. What is the function of this kink? It does not allow, when we take the temperature of a person, if constriction is not there, then what will happen? The mercury will flow back into the bulb, but this kink stop the this flow back. Now next is wash the thermometer well and dip in an dash liquid before and after using it. What liquid, children? Antiseptic. Why? Because it can catch the germs. So when we dip in antiseptic solution, it kills the germs. Okay, children?